Okay, so this is the first in a series of videos outlining some of the concepts in my book, Philosophical Contemplations. The book has 4 sections: the universe, patterns, the soul, and the philosopher, which is basically you if you're looking to find out what the world is all about. If you'd like to download it, there's a link below. Let's get started with the first part. Under the universe, we have the law of opposites. It might help to sum up the law of opposites as every force or concept must have an opposite, and the two are separate but connected. So every right must have a left, every up a down, every in and out, etc. This is pretty simple stuff, but there's more to it. We want to know why this law exists. What's it all about? It's about reflection. Under this law, all that is seen is a reflection of what is not seen. So all the patterns in the world that you can see, that you can perceive, are reflections of something you can't perceive. The apparent many different things are a reflection of the one. What we perceive on the outside is a reflection of what is hidden on the inside. Another thing to consider is how the law of opposites allows an apparent lawlessness. What is right and what is wrong. But even in this lawlessness, the law exists. So lawlessness cannot exist without the law allowing it to. For example, if I show a slide saying something like, the law of opposites isn't true. This is a statement of lawlessness, but it actually shows the law itself. If you look beyond the words, you see that there is something against a background of nothing. The law of opposites allows the one to be expressed against its opposite. If we follow the law of opposites to its origin, it comes from the one that we may think of as God. So it comes from the one creating a reflection of itself. What it is like, what it is not like. What is substantial, what is not substantial. Without this apparent separation of opposites, nothing can be perceived. So plenty to think about there. We'll look at the ramifications of this in the other videos.